Hello people, another beautiful day. Yeah, hope your five senses work, health and strength is good. Excellent. What? What's up, Nvidia fans? Look, we got an update. Listen to this. Nvidia 55161 driver brings Nightingale and Nvidia app beta support. And I just did a video on this too. It says here, Nvidia has pushed out a brand new driver for graphics card users from the Green team. The Nvidia Green GeForce Game Ready 55161 WHQL certified driver comes with official support for our one newly released title, as well as Nvidia new Control Center app that was just announced. The early access launch of Nightingale happens on February 20th, and this latest driver is a recommended install for anyone jumping into the fantasy world. The co-op survival title features DLSS 3 and reflex technology from Nvidia 2, making this an important driver to have, especially for RTX 40 series owners. As Nvidia app, its new software solution that is combining the offering of the Nvidia Control Center, GeForce Experience, and RTX Experience app. It's a beta release that is happening today. And then it says, featuring a unified GPU control center, the Nvidia GPU app allows fine-tuning of game driver settings from a single place, while introducing a redesigned in-game overlay of convenient access to powerful gameplay recording tools, performance monitoring overlay, and game-enhancing filters, including innovative new AI power filter for GeForce RTX users, explained the company. Now, here, head over to get the full rundown on the Nvidia app features and how to download the newly released data. Now, and the bug fixes is this: fix game bugs. Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege. I was gonna say Ghost Recon. Stability issue when running Vulkan. It says fix general bugs. RTX video HDR tone mapping not working properly with the custom HDR brightness value in Windows 44472972. Chrome Edge browser poor black level quality in SDR video playback with window HDR settings enabled. 44992243. And then it says Nvidia Freestyle filter are not saved after quitting games. 4472656. And then Adobe Substance 3D Stager unable to initialize the viewpoint, and that's 4403960. And then Adobe Substance 3D Vulkan version for Substance Painter cannot be launched. 4425856. Say currently known issues that are still being worked on are these: Netflix display issues for video when using Edge browser. Recommended using Windows Netflix app as a workaround. 4488454. And GeForce RTX 10, RTX 20 series. PC may randomly freeze when Windows hardware accelerate GPU scheduling and Nvidia SLI are both enabled. And it says the Nvidia 55161 Game Ready driver is available via the GeForce Experience app, while standalone download link can be found below. Here are the release notes, and it says GeForce Game Ready driver download Windows 10 11 DCH, and notebooks GeForce Game Ready driver download. I'll leave all those links. So Nvidia is on it. They just released the GeForce app, and then they followed that up with the with an update. So yeah, these guys, they work, man. They work. So I'll leave all the links in the description box for this video, and you can click on them and see it for yourself. Promise you that. All right. Oh, and by the way, I will leave the link for Super Meat Boy that I was supposed to put in the video I did earlier. So yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, Nvidia is on it, so I'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on Nvidia wise. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek fan for Dark Side. I'm gone. Peace.